Magical Family Farm. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush fields and rolling hills, there lived a family whose hearts were as warm as the golden sun that painted the sky each day. The Williams family, consisting of Mr. and Mrs. Williams, their spirited daughter Maya, and the bundle of energy known as Little Leo, owned a magical farm that was the heartbeat of the village. The Williams family farm was a place of enchantment, where animals roamed freely, crops swayed in the gentle breeze, and laughter echoed through the air. Each day brought new adventures and discoveries, making the farm a haven for both its human and animal inhabitants. Maya, the eldest daughter, had a special connection with the animals that called the farm home. From the fluffy bunnies that hopped around to the mischievous goats that loved to play, Maya's magical touch seemed to make the farm come alive. She spent her days tending to the animals, nurturing the crops, and spreading joy to everyone around her. Little Leo, Maya's younger brother, was a ball of curiosity and boundless energy. With his wide eyes filled with wonder, he followed Maya around the farm, eager to learn and explore. The farm became Leo's playground, and every corner held a new adventure waiting to unfold. One sunny morning, the family gathered in the kitchen for breakfast, the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air. Mr. Williams, a hard-working farmer with a heart as vast as the fields he cultivated, looked at his family with a contented smile. "Another beautiful day on our magical farm," he remarked, sipping on his morning tea. Mrs. Williams, a kind and nurturing soul, nodded in agreement. "Indeed, dear. Our farm is a place of wonders, thanks to the love we share and the magic that seems to surround us." Maya, her face illuminated by the morning sunlight streaming through the window, beamed with enthusiasm. "I have a feeling today will bring something extraordinary, something magical." Little Leo, crumbs from his toast decorating his rosy cheeks, clapped his hands. "Magic. I want to see magic." The family shared a hearty laugh, the warmth of their bond radiating throughout the room. As the day unfolded, the family embarked on their daily tasks. Maya led the animals to their grazing fields, Leo chased after butterflies, and Mr. Williams tended to the crops with the expertise of a seasoned farmer. Mrs. Williams, the heart of the family, moved gracefully from task to task, ensuring that each corner of the farm brimmed with love and care. In the afternoon, Maya had an idea. "Let's have a magical picnic by the old oak tree near the pond. We can share stories and enjoy the beauty of our farm." The family eagerly agreed, and they gathered a basket filled with homemade goodies, blankets, and a sense of anticipation. As they settled under the shade of the old oak tree, surrounded by the symphony of rustling leaves and the gentle hum of nature, Maya began to share stories of the farm's magical past. "Legend has it," Maya began with a twinkle in her eye, "that our farm is blessed by the whimsical spirits of the land. They watch over us, bringing harmony to our crops and joy to our animals." Leo's eyes widened with excitement. "Really? Magical spirits?" Maya nodded, her words weaving a tapestry of enchantment. "Yes, and they love when we care for the farm and each other with love and kindness. It's the secret ingredient to our magical harvests, and the reason our animals are so happy." Inspired by Maya's tales, the family began to share their own magical experiences on the farm. Mrs. Williams spoke of the time she found a hidden nest of baby birds and cared for them until they were strong enough to fly. Mr. Williams recounted the day a rare rainbow appeared over the farm, bringing with it a bountiful harvest. As the stories unfolded, the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the family. Leo, now nestled between his parents, gazed at the sky, captivated by the changing colors. "Look!" he exclaimed, pointing to the horizon where the first stars began to twinkle. "Even the sky is magical." Maya smiled at her little brother's wonder. "Yes, Leo, magic is all around us, in the love we share, the care we give, and the beauty of the world we call home. The family sat in quiet awe, the magic of their farm wrapping around them like a comforting blanket. As night fell, they made their way back to the farmhouse, carrying with them the enchantment of the day. In the days that followed, the Williams family continued to nurture their magical farm, their days filled with laughter, hard work, and the simple joys of life. The animals seemed to understand the language of love spoken by Maya, and the crops flourished under the watchful eyes of the whimsical spirits. One day, as the family tended to the fields, they discovered a patch of flowers that seemed to glow in the moonlight. Maya explained that the spirits had blessed their farm with a rare and magical bloom, a symbol of the love and care that echoed through the land. The village, noticing the extraordinary abundance of the Williams family farm, began to visit for guidance and inspiration. The family, always ready to share their magical secrets, welcomed their neighbors with open arms, turning their farm into a beacon of unity and kindness. And so, in the heart of the village, the Williams family farm stood as a testament to the magic that can be found in the simplest acts of love and care. Maya and Leo grew up surrounded by the enchantment of their farm, their hearts forever intertwined with the land and each other. As the years passed, the magical tales of the Williams family farm became a cherished legend in the village. Children and adults alike would gather under the old oak tree, sharing stories of the kind-hearted family whose love had turned a simple farm into a place where magic and wonder thrived. And thus, in the little village embraced by fields and hills, the Williams family continued their magical journey, tending to their farm with unwavering love, and leaving a legacy of enchantment that echoed through the generations. The magical tales of Maya, Leo, and their extraordinary family farm became a timeless melody, a reminder that the truest magic lies in the bonds we share and the love that grows, just like the crops in a magical field under the golden sun.